Hi guys and welcome to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to upgrade TubeBuddy. So if you use TubeBuddy for keyword research or SEO optimization or any of the features that you want to access and now you want to upgrade to a pro license or higher version for better output, you will have to simply follow these steps. The first one is navigate to any browser on your PC. Now go to the search bar and click on search for TubeBuddy. After searching for TubeBuddy, you will see www.tubebuddy.com. Now, if you want to upgrade, I'm assuming that you have already created an account. If you still haven't created an account, come to this page and sign up on TubeBuddy. Now, after you would have created your account, click on My Account option at the top right corner. Now you will see this page. On this page, you will see a list of options. Now, in this list of options, you will see Upgrade Now option just under Channels. Click on Upgrade Now just right here, and when you click on Upgrade Now, you will see this page. On this page, you will see the plan that you want to upgrade for. So we have 1 month plan, 3 months plan and 1 year plan. So we get the 1 year plan at 30% discount, 3 months plan at 20% discount and 1 month plan at no discount. And you get the Pro at $3 per month and the Legend at $29 per month. The Pro will have these 3 features and the Legend will have these 5 features. You can choose any one of these plans. For example, I'm going to choose 3 months plan and the Pro version. So I'll click on Select. Now after clicking on Select, you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, you'll have to enter the information of your credit card. So you'll have to enter your name, email, country, street, city, state, zip code, card number, expiration date, CVV, and after entering all your credit card credentials, you can click on submit and do the payment, and after that, you will have successfully upgraded to TubeBuddy Pro. Now if you have other payment method, you can click on PayPal and this will prompt you to PayPal's website. On this website, enter your email or mobile number, click on next, do the payment, and whenever your payment gets finished, your TubeBuddy's subscription will automatically be updated. So that's how you upgrade TubeBuddy. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.